Welcome to today's video where we are going to dive deep into DuckDB, one of the most exciting database technologies to emerge in recent years. I'm excited to walk you through its key features and benefits, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many data professionals are making the switch to DuckDB. Let's start by exploring what makes DuckDB special from a technical perspective. First and foremost, DuckDB uses in-memory execution. What does this mean for you? Well, it runs queries directly in memory, which delivers ultra-fast performance. When you're working with DuckDB, you'll notice how quickly it responds compared to traditional databases, especially for analytical queries. This makes a huge difference when you're exploring data and need quick insights. Another fundamental aspect of DuckDB is its columnar storage. Now, most traditional databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL use row-based storage, where all the data for each record is stored together. That's great for transactional workloads, but not ideal for analytics. DuckDB, on the other hand, stores data by columns, which makes analytical queries much more efficient. When you're running aggregations or filtering on specific columns, DuckDB only needs to load the relevant columns, not the entire dataset. This drastically reduces the amount of data being processed and speeds up your queries. What I really love about DuckDB is that it's serverless and embedded. You don't need to set up and maintain a separate database server. DuckDB works inside your application, similar to SQLite. This makes it incredibly easy to deploy and use. You can include it in your Python script, R analysis, or any other application without worrying about database connections, authentication, or server maintenance. It's as simple as importing a library. And here's something that will make a big difference in your day-to-day work. DuckDB features multi-threaded processing. It's designed to utilize all the cores in your CPU, running operations in parallel whenever possible. This means that as your data sets grow larger, DuckDB scales with your hardware, making the most of modern multi-core processors. The parallel execution means faster query times, especially for complex analytical workloads. Now, let's talk about some more features that make DuckDB particularly powerful for data work. DuckDB has excellent SQL support. If you're familiar with SQL, you'll feel right at home. It supports advanced SQL features, including window functions for sophisticated analytics, all types of joins for combining data sets, and common table expressions or CTEs for writing cleaner, more maintainable queries. The SQL dialect is quite comprehensive, so you probably won't need to learn new syntax if you're coming from another SQL database. One feature that saves me tons of time is DuckDB's native file support. DuckDB can read and write CSV, Parquet, and Arrow files directly without conversion. This is a game changer if you work with data files regularly. Instead of going through the tedious process of importing data into a database before querying it, you can query these files directly with DuckDB. For example, you can run a SQL query directly on a Parquet file without importing it first. This streamlines your workflow significantly. For developers and data scientists, DuckDB's multi-language support is invaluable. It works seamlessly with Python, R, Java, Node.js, and C++. The integration is smooth, with well-designed APIs for each language. This means you can use DuckDB in your preferred programming environment without compromising on functionality or performance. And don't worry about which operating system you're using. DuckDB is cross-platform, running on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux with a simple installation. Now that we've covered the key features, let's talk about why you might want to use DuckDB in your projects and how it can benefit your workflow. The most immediate benefit you'll notice is lightning-fast analytics. DuckDB is optimized specifically for OLOP queries, that's online analytical processing. When compared to row-based databases, the performance difference for analytical workloads can be enormous. Tasks like aggregations, filtering on specific columns, and running complex analytical queries will execute significantly faster in DuckDB. This means less waiting time and more productivity. DuckDB is also incredibly lightweight and easy to use. It's a single-file database with no setup or dependencies required. You don't need to be a database administrator to use it effectively. This simplicity makes it accessible to data analysts, scientists, and engineers who want to focus on their data rather than infrastructure management. For data science and ETL workflows, DuckDB is ideal. It allows you to directly process large data sets without an external database. You can perform transformations, filter data, join tables, and prepare your data all within DuckDB. This eliminates the need for separate ETL tools in many cases, simplifying your data pipeline. If you're currently using a SQLite for analytical work, you'll find DuckDB offers much better performance for those kinds of queries. While SQLite is excellent for transactional workloads, DuckDB's columnar format speeds up aggregations and reporting significantly. It's designed specifically for the kinds of operations that are common in data analysis. As your data grows, DuckDB scales with you through MotherDuck. MotherDuck is a cloud service built on top of DuckDB that allows hybrid execution, combining local processing with cloud resources. This means you can work with data sets much larger than what would fit on your local machine, without changing your workflow or learning new tools. And finally, DuckDB is open source and actively maintained. This means constant updates, bug fixes, and new features. There's a growing community of users and contributors, providing support, sharing knowledge, and building the ecosystem. The open source nature also means transparency and the ability to understand exactly how the database works if you need to. To sum up, DuckDB brings the power of analytical databases to your local environment with minimal overhead. Its combination of speed, simplicity, and flexibility makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of data processing and analysis tasks. Whether you're working with gigabytes of data for business intelligence, preparing data sets for machine learning, or just need faster queries on your local files, DuckDB offers a compelling solution that fits seamlessly into modern data workflows. I encourage you to give DuckDB a try on your next data project. You might be surprised at how much it simplifies your work and speeds up your analysis. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.